Hey everyone, Mr. Cycler here, a little video tutorial for how to insert a PDF printout from an iPad. So there are two ways to do it. The first way I'm going to show you is on the iPad itself. So what you need to do is you would have to tap on the document and you would have to go to PDF Printouts. Now, in order to find the file, these files are stored in our OneDrive, so we'd have to click on OneDrive and we have to go into our OneDrive to find the folder in which we want to get it into. So over here, I'm in my Computer App Life folder. I'm going to go to Unit 0, and I'm going to go find Lesson 0.1. But you may notice that right here, it's like grayed out. I actually can't add it, and the reason is because it's saved as a Word file. And the feature is called PDF Printout, so I actually can't open this as a PDF the way it currently is. So what you're going to have to do in order to do PDF Printout straight from the iPad is you're going to have to go into your Schoology app and you're going to have to open up your Microsoft Word file. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to Schoology, we're going to go over to lesson 0.1 and we're going to open that lesson up. And in the app Schoology, not the website, but in the app itself, if you click on the documents, it will then take you to open that into the app of Microsoft Word. Now, in the app of Microsoft Word, what you'll see is on the top right of the document, there's this little arrow that's shooting out. So if we click this little arrow that's shooting out and we let it wait for a second, one of the options is going to be to send a copy. So if we click send a copy, and then at the top it shows us what format would we like it, we can click the format and change that to PDF, which is what we want. We wanted a PDF printout of the document. And then we are going to send it to another app. That app is going to be Microsoft OneNote. So once we click send it to another app, we're going to have to scroll over on the top over here to find where OneNote is. If OneNote is not appearing, you can click more, but it should already appear. As you see, for me, OneNote is on my selected list. So if I were to unselect it, I could no longer send to OneNote. If you select it, you can send to OneNote. So make sure that that tab is open if you don't see it. And over here is copy to OneNote. So you're going to click copy to OneNote, and then it's going to start taking that document and sending that over to OneNote. Now it's just telling us what notebook would you like to put it into. So let's say you were in period 1S. I would have to go into period 1S, and right now I'm inserting this into Angel's notes. So I would go over to Angel, I would go over to my class notes section, and then it's going to ask me how would I like this to be attached. An attachment is just the file itself. A printout is the whole document in the page. So we want a printout, so we're going to click PDF Printout, and it's going to insert that file for us. So a bit lengthy, but basically the process is one more time that you can't insert a PDF printout if you don't already have a PDF. So if you don't have the PDF of this already saved to your OneDrive, what you'll do is you'll go over to your Schoology app, you'll go to my class, you'll open up the document you're trying to open. That will open it in Word. Once open in Word, on the top right of the document, there's a little arrow that says push out to another document. We click that, we wait, we click send a copy, and we're going to send it with another app. We're going to send it to OneNote. We click OneNote, and then we are going to choose where in OneNote we want it. So we'll click on the location. We will then click on the notebook we want that in. We will click on our name, and then we'll click on which section we want that in. So that's a little recap, and that's about it. So that's the method that we're going to use to send it to OneNote. The other method is on the computer. So have a good one.